Hey guys, my name is Jake Hernandez, and here are my interests for the final project and what I want to do. So I have two interests. The first one is Onshape. So the reason I put Onshape is because I really like using uh not like it's like a program, but I like building stuff in this thing. It's like really easy to use. Like it's really helpful. If you're stuck, you can just like look around on the website and find out how to use like the certain things. And I feel like Onshape is like a really um is like it helps people be creative and let them build whatever they want. So like I built a drone and that was really fun and challenging at the same time, and I really enjoyed doing it. So I feel like doing the final project would be pretty cool. So I think what I'm trying to achieve using Onshape and like collaborating with other people, I think I want to make like just like something more challenging, like create a new tool, or like just recreate an engine, or I don't know, like I kind of we have to like talk about it, make a plane or something challenging that's gonna take time, and we're gonna have to put our brains together and solve the problem. So yeah, so what? So a reasonable, good collaboration for me would be that we work together. We share our thoughts of what we want to do and share like our work, like our progress on what we do. We'll split up the things. Um, we'll both do our own tasks and then put them together and create a final project. We'll also just help each other throughout the process. Like if we're ever stuck, we can um, just help each other out, and we don't and contact um, contacting each other won't be that hard because Canvas, and meeting face to face won't be an issue because it's all online, and so yeah, so that's a good collaboration for me. And then my second interest would be the Arduino device. So I like creating systems uh with this device, and it's really fun just creating different uh things like in the modules. Like I created the nightlight, which changed the color of the LED, and so it was really fun and challenging. Well, not too challenging, but like because it tells you what to do, but I feel like knowing like how it works, like what how they affect each other, it's like really intriguing to me, or interesting to me. And so I think what I'm trying to achieve by doing using or using the Arduino for my final project, I think I want to like create something new that maybe not be in the module, or like connect different things in the modules. Like I know there's like a Simon Says, maybe we can connect that to a different one, or just creating, maybe looking online and looking for like a new thing to create, or where it doesn't give step by step. We got to figure it out by ourselves, but you got to be careful with this thing because I know you can actually, I think you can break it, I believe, and it's electricity's hard thing to work with 'cause you can hurt yourself. But yeah, so what's a reasonable good collaboration for me? I think I think contact be easy, but I think the main issue is like getting together, because I feel like it's better to work face to face with this thing because it's not online. It's not like the Onshape like back here where you can work on different parts. But you can like show your progress and like think of new ideas, come up with like what we could do. But yeah, I think it's a little bit more challenging, but it's nothing to it's not gonna be a huge problem for me. Contact as long as we like contact with each other. Think about different stuff what we could do. It'd be I think it'd be a good challenge for the final. So yeah, all right. Well, that has been my slides. So in conclusion, Onshape, my one of my interests, and the other is the Arduino. All right. Well, thank you, and have a good day. Have a good day, guys.